Okay, this is the DIY tennis ball stringer, and what you'll need is a D-clip, paracord, an old tennis ball right here, and then laundry pins, these guys. Okay, first thing you'll do is I tend to like using them, I'd say about maybe 5 foot to 4 foot of line. Take some forceps and kind of grab it with this baby here on the end. 2 slits at the top and the opposite side on the tennis ball. And I'll take my forceps and just kind of push it through there with the paracord attached like that right there. And then here's the fun part, is to getting it undone right here. Once you have it undone, you can hold this end and pull the forceps out. Okay, so pull it all the way through so I have a little length of line here, and then it'll just be a simple overhand knot, and right there. Okay, and then on the other end, all you'll do is attach the D-clip. Okay, here's the D-clip. I'll just do a quick loop like so, and then I'll take my D-clip, and there it is. When it comes time to catch a fish, I'll have my laundry pins attached over here on my kayak fishing vest, and what I'll do is I'll take one off the pin, or off the little shower curtain deal here that's holding it in place, and all I do then is this is attached to my kayak, this is floating behind me, and all I do is I'll hook the fish and keep it in the cockpit of the kayak and make sure if I do lose grip of it, it'll fall back into the kayak. Just be careful if it's a catfish, because they can get finned easily. Then once you have the fish on, you put this on and lock it so that if you do lose grip of it as you're releasing it back into the water, or at least putting the stringer back in the water with your fish, it'll hook on to the end of this and it'll float behind you, and the fish will stay alive the whole time you're out there. All right, give it a try. DIY tennis ball stringer.